friends, welcome to our channel App Reviews. This is Bernice and I will give you reviews on the most amazing and fantastic apps that can help you a lot in your day-to-day life. Now today, I'm giving you the review on one of the most amazing app that can increase your speaker volume up to 60% with sound and headphone volume booster. But before heading towards the video, first like, share and subscribe our channel App Reviews. Do like this video as well. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever we upload any video, you will get notified. So friends, sometimes happen to you also that when are you speaking, whenever you are listening to your favorite music and on your headphones or speakers or woofers, but the volume is not up to the match, you are not you're not enjoying the music because volume is not up to what you like. Now don't worry at all. This loudspeaker application pushes the volume up higher than the system defaults, making the sound of every application bigger. Whether you are listening to music with your favorite playing or playing games or watching movies or videos online in your browser, subwoofer and Bluetooth speaker can interact with the program and output audio. This is one of the most amazing app that can increase your speaker volume up to 60%. There are various features of it which you will definitely enjoy. But before heading towards, like, share and subscribe our channel. Do like this video as well. Notification window, you should have to open the notification bell too. You know friends, it can increase volume on phone with just one click, with just one touch. Sound increases for video, media, notify, call and alarm too. It increases your sonar systems too. It is very easy to use, louder music volume boost, and it can be used as a bass app. It has system volume and music amplifier also. It can alarm high volume. It can warn you up because now with super volume booster, you can increase speaker loudness and volume increase on your mobile phone by 60%. I will tell you how to use it. We have given the link of this app in the description box of this video. Do go to the description box, click on the link and install this app. You will enjoy it. I will tell you how it works, what are its various features, but make sure to be with me till the end of the video so that I will tell you each and every step of it. So let's get going.
Now friends, I will tell you how volume booster, sound booster installed and how it works. As soon as you click on the link given in the description box of the video, this type of interface will come and you have to click on install. It will take few seconds to install and it depends upon your network connection also. Till then I'll show you. It's given 4.3 star ratings. It's of 5.2 MB. 1 million plus downloads has been done so far. Just one tap and your booster, it boosts your volume, and it visualizes up to 68% audio volume. It can be increased. You can control your volume by the various keys and so that you can control your volume as per your choice. See, now it's installed. Now we click on open. As soon as you click on open, this type of interface will come on your mobile screen also. It is going to be bump up. See now, not enough photos or clean. If you are having, its ad is coming, so you have to close that. Playing, it's given warning first. Playing audio at high volume can damage speakers and hearing. If you find the audio screechy or distorted, you are likely using too high a volume. Do you agree to use this app at your own risk? Yes, I agree. You click on agree and this type of interface will come. Click this button to start volume boost. Got it? You have to click it. Now this will control volume of your device. Got it? You have to click on got it. Now this type of interface will come. And see, when you click on, in between so many ads come, no, you have to close it out and see. Now you can boost also. Actually you can attach your woofers or headphones over it, then you can get the volume. I will just show you by the buttons. Volume will increase. You can increase or decrease volume. You can boost it up as per your choice, right? When you want to off it, now you can off it with a click, on it with a click. So like this you can boost your volume of your headphones, speakers, woofers, whatever you want to choose.
So friend, isn't it an amazing app? What are you waiting for? Go to the description box, click on the link and install this app as soon as possible. We'll come back with more amazing videos. You should share your views and do comment to us on our comment section so that we can also bear off your views also. Till then, take care, stay safe.